Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to send your Teleform responses to Notion. As you can see, I already created a feature request form. I want all the submissions to this form to be automatically synced to my Notion database. To do so, I will first create a form and publish it. Then I go to the Integrations tab. In the Integrations tab you can connect to Notion. First, you will be asked to connect your Tally account to your Notion account and grant access to a workspace and specific pages within. We already connected to our Notion account, but you can find these steps documented in our Help Center as well. You can then select the database you want to send your form responses to. Next up is the mapping of the Tally properties to Notion properties. I will start by mapping our feature request title. You will see that the integration always indicates to what Notion property you can map your Teleform property to. In our Help Center, you'll also find an overview of how all the properties map to each other. I will go ahead and map all the properties in my form to the Notion properties in my database. I want my drop-down question to map to the select property. My screenshots to files and media. Name to a text property. And email to email. I can then also add content to the page content in Notion. And here I want to add the longer description of my feature requests asked in my Tally form. Therefore, I simply type add and select the question in my form from the menu that pops up. You can also format this text as you like. We're then going to choose to also export the existing submissions to our database and connect to Notion. When we go to our Notion database, you will see that it will be automatically filled up with the Teleform responses. When you open one, you will see that the feature request, the longer description, is also added in the body of the page. This is a quick introduction to our Notion integration. For more information, visit our Help Center at tally.so/help.